The Protocols.io editor gives you a lot of flexibility to create an easy to follow and well-documented interactive and dynamic protocol. Our editor allows concurrent editing, so please feel free to invite your colleagues to work on a protocol or document with you. We will be going over the Steps tabs during this tutorial. To create a new step or step action, click on the green New Step button. Here you will also see the other available options. If you are looking to paste steps from an existing protocol, you will first want to copy those steps and click the Insert Steps from a Text file. I will go over this as an example quickly. You will then see it below. If you are looking to add a sub-step or step section, you'll first want to create a new step and then click on the green button and choose New Sub-Step or New Step Section.